In this video tutorial, you will learn how to install SSL Certificate on your local host, so stay with me. Hey, what's up source hackers? Senaid here from CodingPassiveIncome.com, the place where I help others to become a web developer much easier and faster than they will do it on their own. So, if that is something that interests you, consider subscribing. Recently, I have got a lot of comments on how to install SSL on your local host, and mainly it's because in one of my tutorials where I'm showing how to implement Facebook login to your login page, now Facebook requires SSL certificate in order for you to be able to make tests. So let me show you where is the problem. So this here is basically the code from that tutorial, and now when I click login with Facebook and redirect there, I've got this message. It says insecure login blocked, you can get an access, blah blah blah. Try loading the page as HTTPS, which means that you will need to have SSL certificate on your localhost. Now there are so many different ways on how you can achieve this, but I have decided to create you basically a two-step process that you can set up in 2 minutes. So let me show you what am I talking about. So first thing that you need to do is go to the NGROK.com, and basically this website or their app will provide you a SSL URL that you can just use, but basically it will tunnel it to your local host. Okay, so all you need to do in order to download is just to go to the download, and here you will have an option to download, and also you will have step by step how you can apply it to your local host. So for me, I am using a Linux and my option is already selected here. So I'll just click on download for Linux, save it to my desired location, and that's it. So I already did that, and this is what I have got. So on a Linux, I will need to run it from the terminal. So all I need to do is to say NGROK HTTP, and then I will say port 80. Okay, and now in a few seconds I will see screen like this, and basically here they are just showing the version of the NGROK, for how long it will run, the current status, etc, etc. And basically down below you will have any requests that you have made to these URLs. But what is the most important for us is this here URL. So for example, if I now try to copy, paste, hit enter, as you can see now it will open my default XAMPP server, and when we go here you are able to see what is happening through this NGROK. And basically NGROK you can use for many other different ways, but for our case scenario this is what you are going to do. So for now I will just use this URL. Okay, go to my application that I have earlier created. I will change domain to the one from the NGROK. I will change this here. Okay, I'll hit save change, and then I will go again to the settings. Okay, no, sorry. Facebook login settings. Okay, and then here we need to change this redirect URL. So I'll paste this and say Facebook login. So this is just from the tutorial if you have already watched it. Okay, I will hit save, And then of course in the code, instead of this localhost, I'm just going to change to the new one. Okay, save. And pretty much that's it. So now when I refresh here and go login with Facebook, you can see now that the problem has gone, and now I am able to just accept the permissions that I am asked in the code, and everything else will work just as supposed to be. So pretty much that's it. It's very simple, very fast to do, but very effective. So if you have any questions, please ask in the comments below, and also if you like this video, please like it and share it to your friends. Take care.